So you might be in a situation where your AirPods are just not showing any lights at all. Now what does this mean? Well, essentially you can see for yourself that my AirPods case, no matter what I do, they are not showing the specific charging light. Now the reason why this is happening, it is a very, very basic thing. Usually it's due to these AirPods not being charged. So I can basically check and double check with my AirPods and my iPhone that if I go and bring my AirPods close to my iPhone, usually they would, signal something. As you can see, they're signaling nothing. And the reason that is because my AirPods basically don't have any charge inside of them. So all you're going to want to do is go ahead and just charge up your AirPods, and that is the very first thing that you can try doing. And a majority of the time, that's probably going to end up fixing it. From everything that I've seen, a majority of the time, if you just charge your AirPods, either the wire charger here or the wireless charger here, that is all you're going to have to do. Now let's say you do that and that's still not working, like you're just going through and you're actually like putting them in your ear, nothing is happening. Well, the other thing I'd make sure is see if you can actually turn on this specific charging case by actually holding down the button on the back. So hold down this button back here and go and hold it down and wait until the light starts blinking. If the light starts blinking, then that means you can just repair it to your AirPods or your iPhone, and that's all you had to do. But if they aren't blinking, like they aren't blinking right here either, that may mean that your AirPods case either again is dead or there may be a problem with your AirPods case. So a lot of times, especially if these AirPod cases are old, they can tend to fail, they can tend to just charge down, and then you're gonna have to replace them. If you get water inside of them or whatever, that can also cause some issues. So you may just want to go ahead and make sure that's not the problem, because if it is, then again, there's not really anything you can do. You're pretty much just going to have to wait it out and then just either buy a new pair of AirPods or just go in that direction. Now finally, another thing you can do is go and take your AirPods out of the case like this. Go ahead and just let them sit there for like a second or two, put them back in, and then go ahead and try repairing them. But if they still don't work, then you're probably going to have to get new AirPods. So that pretty much covers it out. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.